Hello guys, today I'm going to do a tutorial for Smartsheet. So first off we gotta create an account, so we're going to click on try Smartsheet for free. First we're gonna enter our email address. My email address is as you can see guys, behind here is a preview of the site while I'm entering my email, and you are, please be careful because you need to verify your email, and be careful so your account info is right, because if you receive the email and you don't verify it, it won't and it doesn't appear in your Gmail, you won't be able to verify your account. So be careful with inserting your information. So our first name is Peter Net, let's say, and my last name is Tech. My phone number, I'll insert it in. And my job title, let's say it's a boss. My company size is from 2001 to 5,000 people. And let's try Smartsheet for free, guys. So now we're gonna wait for a second. Here I told you guys, so they have sent us an email for confirmation. I'm gonna just enter my email, just join in this. Let's see. So guys, I hope it came in. Peter Automations. So where? No, I didn't write it in, guys, the right way. So yeah, I think this is the right. Yeah, my first name again, Tech. I'm sorry guys that I did this to you, and I didn't really mean to. Yeah, here it is. So guys, this is the email that you should receive into your email account. So we click on it, and now we're being redirected to the main page of Smartsheet. This shouldn't really take a while. Here it is. Please stand while Smartsheet is loading. It really shouldn't take a while. After some time, like some seconds, you should be redirected, but it really depends on your PC and on your internet connection. Let's create our password. Make sure it is secure. So they match. Let's agree to the terms of conditions and privacy policy. And now you gotta do the captcha. Bridges. This is a bridge. This also is a bridge. And something. Oh, here. My bad. No. Now optimize your experience. I'm in a construction team, let's say, and everything now has to get started. Now let's see, guys, we can create right now a sheet, a form, a report, a dashboard, or a work app. You can also import a file or have a project assistance. I will add a dashboard, and I will name it as a chart pie. Here it is. I'm clicking OK and waiting for a few seconds. Okay, now here is the chart pie. We can create a file, we can edit the file, like here. We can edit the dashboard, we can add something, like we can add a chart with this here. Okay, we can add that to the chart. Okay, so this doesn't apply to our plan. So I think we should go to our home. We don't see, and we can create, let's create a sheet. Let's name it this sheet, and yes. Now we're gonna wait for a second, just for the site to load up. As I said earlier, it will depend on your speed of the internet and everything. So here's the sheet. It may kind of remind you of Excel. Here, as we can see, we can set the primary title to shop. We can set this to day 1, day 2, day 3. Oops, day 3. And yeah, guys, we can see to here we're going to add in the budget, and we can see the budget for day 1 is 14 USD. For the second day is 16, or let's see, 16 USD, and for the third day, let's say 400 USD. And guys, we can also like just mark these. We can increase the font size, we can change the font, we can make it into different things, we can underline it, we can strike through, we can add strike through, we can add the background color. And yes, guys, there is also a paid version, which there is a free version that we're using right now. There's a pro version which is $7 per month, and there's a business version which is $25 per month, and there is an enterprise which you have to contact the business team, and the prices are custom by the amount of people that are in your group. And yeah, guys, I think that this tutorial did help you with something, with the start of your Smartsheet career. And I wish you guys a great day or evening, whichever it is for you. And I'll see you guys around. Peace.